Hi everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Guess what? It's crew change day. I'm using my GoPro 4 by holding it. I'm hoping you can see me. I can't see what I'm filming. So, I've had major issues with my phone this past week. Every video I tried to do got corrupted. So I put my SD card in this Hero 4 just to give you all this update. I'm going to be heading home here soon. So I will try to do a video on the way home. So I may not be able to do it inside the crew van, but at least I'll try and get something on when I get in my vehicle. So, with all this said, while I'm at home, I am going to do my best to find a camera, a real camera. That can take great video. I don't have to worry about the phone. I'm going to find, excuse me, not find. I am going to get another large SD card, and I'm going to put it on my tablet because my tablet doesn't have a lot of room. And I'm going to put my editing program on there and do my editing from there. So, with that said, hopefully I can bring you better videos. So, anyways, I'll still keep you updated over the weekend of what I'm doing, and I'll get this posted to you as soon as possible. Have a good day. Hey everyone, it's Saucy the Towboat Chef. Yes, I am finally home. So I could not do a video last night when I got home. As soon as I got home, well, I should say, as soon as I arrived to my car had a very, very, very dead battery. The battery is less than a year old. I was waiting for somebody to come give me a jump. This nice man, he swung by and he says, "Do you need a jump?" And I said yes. So he started helping me. So I called my friend back and told them that I didn't need them. And between he had a big ass truck, would not, how do I say, it would not charge. Now, you could tell it was getting some juice, but not enough. So his wife worked at the same place where my car was at, so he went and got his wife's car. Between the both of them, and an hour later, my car got charged. I took that battery right back to Walmart where I purchased it at, and I said, dead batteries do not work for me, and it's less than a year old. Well, they exchanged it for free. By the time everything got said and done, it was, I think, close to 8 p.m. last night, when I should have been home around 4:30. So it was close to 8 p.m. I was exhausted. I was still on boat time. It was way past my bedtime, so I'm sorry I didn't get a video out. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just give you this update. I did purchase a camera. I purchased a battery charger with 3 of the batteries for this GoPro. I'm still looking for the case for around the GoPro. I believe in my shed I have a very large tripod that goes up to 5 feet from a high desktop to a standing tripod. So hopefully I'm going to be all set with videos. I will know on Monday about either working at the restaurant as their catering chef or baker, or I will know on Monday if they're going to put me back out on a boat. So either way, I'm going to have some videos coming up, and I do apologize for not having any of the videos out this past week. It was a very frustrating and long week. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing. For those newbies that I did see the notification of. And if you're new to watching my channel, go ahead and click subscribe. Click that notification button. And then just, oh heck, you know what? I'm still tired. So, usually when I get home from a boat, it takes me 2 or 3 days to get acclimated back to being a landlubber again. So, but thank you again all for your support, and we'll get some things going on here. Have a great day. Yay, my decal stickers are in. If you all want one, go down in the description. Click, scroll down to where you see it. Click on PayPal. Don't forget to put your name and address on where to send it to. And you can purchase one for $5 or two for $8. I want to give credit to the people that helped me get this decal going. First off, to Puddin The Traveling Redneck. He created it in the beginning. Then to Strong Adventures. They recommended to go to creative advertising. And Madison there, she's tweaked it a little bit. And she added the YouTube part down at the bottom. She did a beautiful job. Everybody, thank you again for your help in reference to all this. At the end of this video, in my end screens, you'll see links to Puddin The Traveling Redneck and to Strong Adventures. We'll put a link down in the description to creative advertising, to where you can also get your stickers if you're thinking about getting some as well. So these stickers go to support this channel. Again, all this camera equipment that I'm purchasing do cost some money. So purchasing this helps me out. So thank you again for everybody in supporting this channel.